Hello friends, in this tutorial we see the use of pocket command, drafted fillet pocket command and multi-pocket command. So first of all we see the use of pocket command. So the pocket command is used whenever the part we are having the one pad part. So first of all we have to develop the some part. Suppose here we develop the one hexagon, the hexagonal part. So go to the simple pad command. Suppose it's having the length of height of 20 mm. Click OK. So now suppose I want to draw the pocket here. So click on the surface, go to the sketch. Suppose I want to drill the hole here having the some size. Suppose the size of 20 mm diameter. So after the giving the dimensions, exit the sketch and use the simple command pocket command. So here we have to set the limit up to what extent we have to do the pocket, up to last or up to some less height. So suppose I want to keep here 10 mm. So whenever we see the preview, so we are obtaining there is the hole up to the 10 mm. But suppose I want to drill a throughout hole, so here we can use the up to last option, or here we can put the dimension of 20 mm because the height of this pad is 20 mm. So this is the use of simple pocket command. So now we see the remaining. So we go for the new part design. Okay, again we go for the pocket. First of all we use the pad command. So there is the one rectangle, exit the sketch, use the pocket pad command, size of 30, mirror extend. Okay, so now here suppose I want to do the use of drafted fillet pocket command. So how to use this drafted fillet command? So first of all we have to draw the geometry onto the surface. So click onto the surface, go to the sketch. Now here we have to draw the one rectangular portion of the required shape. So again exit the sketch. Now here we use the another second command called as the drafted fillet command. So here we have to prepare the pocket which having the fillet. So click on this command. So here we have to define the height, up to what length we have to use this. So here I use the depth of 40 mm. Now here we have to select the second limit. So the lower portion here we can select the as a lower limit. Then again click onto the front plane and see the preview. So here we obtain the one pocket which having the draft, right? So we can change the angle. Suppose we use the angle of 20 mm here and press the enter. Then we can change the angle of draft. So as per the requirement we can change the dimensions. So here from the tree also we can change the dimensions. So double click on the draft. Here we can change the angle from 20 to 10. Click OK. Again we can change the fillet. Suppose I want to increase the radius of fillet from 5 to 10. So click 10. See the preview. So the required dimension we can change it. So this is the use of drafted fillet command with the hole. So we can prepare the any type of component with this with the help of this command. So lastly we use the use of multi-pocket command. So again we go for the new file, part design. Okay, select the top plane, sketch, draw the one rectangle, exit the sketch, go to the pad 20 mm. So here I use the mirror extend. Okay, so now suppose I want to draw here 4 or 5 geometries. It required to be pocket at a time, so we can use the multi pocket command. So first of all I use here hexagon. Okay, second figure, it's a random shape. Third, I use the toilet shape. Fourth, we can use here the rectangle, small rectangle. Click OK. So now I want to remove this 4 material from the given component. So I want to exit the sketch. Now use the command multi pocket. So here we are obtaining the list of these 4 component. The first component showing by the, whenever it is selected, it is showing onto the sketch. Third, fourth. Suppose the first component I require to be pocket of 20 mm. Second, I require the pocket of throughout, that is 30 mm. Then here we can choose the up to, next one 25, and last one also I have required a 30 mm. So we can see the preview. So in a single command we can do the pocket, use of multi pocket command. Suppose this component I require to be throughout, so here I use the 40, preview. Okay, so now only the first hexagon that we are getting throughout and remaining up to the some height. So this is the use of multi pocket command. Thank you.